Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is how to fix Windows 11 update error. So in this video, I will share few methods you can apply to fix this issue. So let's start the video. First, you have to check your internet connection and your system storage. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and make sure you have at least 20 GB of free space in your C drive for updates. The next method you can try is pause and resume Windows updates. So you have to just click on this pause option. After that, restart your system and then click on this option, resume updates. Now move on to the next method you can try, restart Windows Update Service. So for this, you have to press Window key and R together on your keyboard. After that, you have to type this command, then click on OK. So this will open Windows services. Now you have to search for Windows Update Service. So scroll down and this is a service we need, a Windows Update. Right click on it, then click on Properties. After that, in the startup type, select Automatic, then click on Apply, then click on OK. Again, right click on Windows Update Service, then click on this Restart option. So this will restart your Windows Update Service. That's it. Cut this window and check. The next method you can try is delete Windows Update cache files. So for this, you have to click on this search icon, then type CMD and you will see this option command prompt. Right click on it, then click on Run as Administrator. So first you have to type this command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Then type the next command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. That's it. Now do not close this window, just minimize it. Now open your C drive. So open your C drive, then go to this Windows folder, double click on it. Now you have to search for a folder called Software Distribution. So this is a folder we need. Double click on it. Now you have to select all the files, then delete all the files. Click on Continue to delete all the files from this folder, Software Distribution. Now you have to cut this window, open the command prompt again. Now type this command, then press enter. Then type this command carefully, then press enter. That's it. Cut this window and this will fix the issue. The next method you can try is repair corrupted Windows files. So for this, you have to again open command prompt. So right click on this command prompt option, then click on Run as Administrator. Now here you have to type this command. So this command will repair Windows corrupted files. Type this command carefully, then press enter, and this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Now you can see the process has been completed. Now type the next command, then press enter, and this command will also take 10 to 15 minutes to complete. After completing both the commands, cut this window, restart your system and check. The last method you can try is reset your PC. For this, open Settings, then click on this Windows Update option, then click on this option, Advanced option. Now here you will see this option Recovery, click on it and this will show you this option Reset this PC. Click on this option Reset PC. Now there are two options, Keep My Files and Remove Everything. So you have to select the first option, Keep My Files. In this process, all your files will remain safe, but to be on the safer side, take the backup of your important files. Then click on Keep My Files option. Then click on Local Reinstall. Click on Next. Click on Next. Now here you can see all the details. Your system will go back to the default mode. Keep personal files so your data will remain safe, but all the software, all the applications you have in your system will remove. Then click on Reset and this process will take around 40 to 50 minutes to complete. And this will be your final method you can try. So this is all for the video. Thank you.